Hello friends, welcome back to Sri's tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn how to insert button in Excel and how to link that button to different sheets in Excel. So for that, here we are going to use hyperlink. So how will you use hyperlink for these buttons? So here in this, I have total three different sheets. So one is index page and the other two sheets are student mark sheet and stock details, for example. Now here first I will insert one button. So how will you insert one button? So to insert a button, you have to click on insert tab. In insert tab, I'm going to use the shapes. The shapes I'm going to convert it as button. So for that I will use rectangle shape and I will draw the rectangle shape here. And for this I will insert the text. So for the text you have to right click and say edit text. And here I'm going to use it as for student mark sheet. And this I want to convert it as button. So it should look like a button. So for that I will click on it and I will click on shape effects. You can use some shadow effect or you can even use some preset effects, preset 2. Now you can see here it is looking like a button. Now for this I have to give the link. So for link there are different methods. So either you can use Control plus K for shortcut key. You can use Control plus K. As soon as you click on Control plus K, you will get insert hyperlink window. Here you can use existing file or web page, place in this document, create new document or email address. So here we have to use place in this document. So when you say place in this document, you can see what are the different sheets are there in this workbook. So here we want to link this to this student mark sheet. So just click on student mark sheet and say OK. So as soon as you link this to student mark sheet, you can see here once you click on it, you will be on the page on this student mark sheet. Now again go back to index. Now here the second one is stock details. So here I want to insert another button. So either you can use another one or you can copy this one only. So how will you copy? Just say Control Shift and drag it. Control Shift and drag it. So you can create another duplicate for this. And here this I have to edit. So just say edit, right click and say edit text. And for this you can say stock details. You can center it. Now we need to change the hyperlink for this. So for that just right click and say remove hyperlink or edit hyperlink. Click on edit hyperlink. So here as soon as you say edit hyperlink, again your hyperlink window will be open. Now this time we need to click on stock details. So just click on it and say OK. Now if you want to bring this text to the center, the center alignment. For this also center. And now you can see here you will be on this stock details. Now here back again, if you want to go back to index page, here again you can create the hyperlink. You can insert one button and you can create the hyperlink. For that again you can see insert shapes. This time we'll use the back arrow because I want to go back. So here I will say back arrow. For this we'll give the link. So here right click, say hyperlink, or else you can click on it and in insert, here you have in links you have hyperlink, like this you can use, or Control plus K. Control plus K. So here shortcut key is Control plus K, or right click, say hyperlink. Now here we need to go to index page. So just click on it and say OK. So as soon as you click on it, it will take you to the index page. Now same way here also we need to add one arrow, insert button to go back to the index page. So for this also we'll use the back arrow. And here I'm going to create this, right click, say hyperlink, and then for this again here also index page. So this is done. Now you can check. So we are back to the index page. So like this, you can create you can insert buttons and you can use this hyperlink option. So hope friends it's very clear. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.